महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन फुडाकार घेवन आपत्कालीन संकटा वेळाची तयारी म्हण मान्सूना पयलीं कंट्रोल रूम स्टार्ट केल्लो आसा. ह्या खातीर आपत्कालीन वेळार रोखडेंच सहकार्य करपाची तयारी राज्यांत आसा. मात हातूंत टीम वर्क म्हत्वाचें आसा आनी सहकार्य जावप म्हत्वाचें आसा म्हण मंत्री खंवटे उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
With this setup of this control room system, how soon as a minister you feel that the quick response team should be there?
Because we have a IRS system, so you have a response system which need to be coming in place. So response system also is coming in place. So we expect the coordinations to happen very fast. And we are getting good support from the ancillary departments as I have just penned down. So it's only the matter of आम्ही अशी डिझास्टर येवचें नीच म्हणटा. पूण जालो जाल्यार आय एम प्रिटी शुअर that collector Naut and collector South are continuously put systems in place to monitor and react to situations immediately.
Any instruction from your side that if any of the team doesn't respond to particular disaster and all, what action from your side could be taken?
It's not a question of action and this. We have to act on the situation. So it is not a question of the ability or inability of an officer to act on the situation. It is a teamwork, and I'm sure that the type of teams that we have created as tasks for this time will be able to produce. By next year, we should be able to have village level committees and other things in place, wardens in place. So I think after this EOC floats, we are having sensors and rest of the things in place. Command control rooms which were required to actually monitor real time is coming in place. So कितें disaster असलो real time, we are waiting for reports from IMD or INCOIS. I think this type of agencies, आमकां स्वता as our department, after setting up the command control room, we'll have real time data. Real-time data will give you exactly what we are forecasting, whether it's heavy rains, cyclones, any untoward incidences which can come. Real-time data from that area can be picked up.
So you spoke about village control committees, village committees. What are those exactly?
It's a vertical which each one's role will be there. We have self-help groups, Mahila Mandals. We have professionals in areas. We have people in each area which can do a small job for the state. For their own village. So if we take them and put them into training mode and put them into a system where self-help groups are already doing a wonderful job all over Goa, whether it might be midday meals or various things for sustainability and towards women empowerment. It's not only self-help groups. We're talking about senior citizens. We're talking about so many people who can reciprocate by giving something back to the state in their own short form, for which plans are being outlined. We'll be taking some NGOs on board which will allow us to work in a much better framed manner. And we delegated.
But this will be for disaster management control room setups, especially during monsoon season. These committees.
Disaster management, the command control room will be a year-long exercise, not only for monsoon. The systems which we are adopting to will not be related only to monsoon, but throughout the year.
This village committees.
Village committees, trainings, telling them what they are, what is their roles and responsibilities, awareness programs. A lot of things will flow. After July, August, a lot of things should start flowing. The first thing we needed to put in place is the EOC, with the RFP being floated. I think by this month end, we should have systems in place to take care of the base necessity.